Today in our selection, we will look at the top 5 skyscrapers of the USA. Subscribe to the channel in advance so as not to miss the entertaining American statistics. 5th place, the International Hotel and Trump Tower. The hotel is a skyscraper in Chicago, Illinois, which is the second tallest building in Chicago and the 5th in the USA, also known as the Trump Tower of Chicago. Within the city, the skyscraper is simply called the Trump Tower. The building, named after Donald Trump, was designed by architect Adrian Smith of the firm Skidmore, Owings & Merrill. The contractor company Bogus Lend-Lease has built a 92-story building, 423 meters high to the top of the spire. The height to the roof was 360 meters. The building is located on the banks of the Chicago River, near the confluence of the river, in Lake Michigan. In 2001, Trump announced that the skyscraper would become the tallest building in the world. But after the terrorist attacks of September 11, 2001, construction plans were reduced, and the design of the tower underwent some changes. Built in 2009, the building became the second tallest in the United States after Chicago's Willis Tower. The record was surpassed in 2013 after the completion of the construction of the World Trade Center. In New York, Trump Tower surpassed the John Hancock Center in Chicago as the building with the world's tallest living spaces from ground level, and held this title until the completion of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It is currently the 32nd tallest building in the world. 4th place, 432 Park Avenue. An ultra-high skyscraper built in New York's Midtown neighborhood on Park Avenue between 56 and 57 streets. The project was developed by CIM Group. Construction started in 2012 and was completed in December 2015. According to the initial design, the height was 396 meters. The construction was preceded by the demolition of the 495-room Drake Hotel, built in 1926. The hotel was bought for $440 million by developer Harry Macklowe in 2006, after which it was demolished. The vacant lot, due to its location, has become one of the most valuable in New York. The total cost of construction is $1.25 billion, with a height of 426 meters. It is the third tallest building in New York and the tallest residential building in the world. It is the third tallest building in New York after the World Trade Center, WTC. The roof level of 430 to Park Avenue exceeds the roof level of the WTC by 8 meters, but the latter wins in total height due to the spire. 3rd place, Empire State Building. 102-story skyscraper located in New York City on the island of Manhattan, on 5th Avenue between West 33rd and 34th Streets. It is an office building. From 1931 to 1970, before the opening of the North Tower of the World Trade Center, it was the tallest building in the world. In 2001, when the WTC towers collapsed, the skyscraper again became the tallest building in New York until 2012, when the World Trade Center one was under construction became taller. It is currently the 3rd tallest skyscraper in the United States, behind the Freedom Tower in New York and the Willis Tower in Chicago, as well as the 51st tallest in the world. The architecture of the building belongs to the Art Deco style. In 1986, the Empire State Building was included in the list of National Historic Monuments of the United States, and in 2007, at number 1 in the list of the best American architectural achievements. According to the American Institute of Architects, the building is owned and operated by Empire State Realty Trust. Currently, it is being renovated for $550 million. $120 million of which goes to reduce energy consumption. 2nd place, Willis Tower, a skyscraper in Chicago, USA, with a height of 442, 1 meter, and 108 floors. The skyscraper was built between August 1970 and May 4, 1973. The chief architect is Bruce Graham. The project engineer is Fazlur Khan. When completed in 1974, it was the tallest building in the world, surpassing the height of the World Trade Center towers in New York. The skyscraper has held this record for almost 25 years. Now the Willis Tower is the second tallest building in the United States after the Freedom Tower and the 25th tallest building in the world. First place, the leader of our list, World Trade Center 1. Previously, it was called the Freedom Tower, the central building in the new World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, New York City, USA, with a height of 541 meters with a spire for 117 meters to the roof. It is the seventh tallest skyscraper in the world, as well as the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. The building is located in the northwestern corner of the 65,000 square meters plot, where the previous complex of buildings of the World Trade Center, including the Twin Towers, destroyed on September 11, 2001, was located. Work on the construction of the building began on April 27, 2006. On December 19, 2006, the first steel columns were installed at the base of the building. 3 more high-rise office buildings and a high-rise residential building are planned to be built on the same territory along Greenwich Street, thus surrounding the memorial dedicated to the tragedy of September 11, 2001. The memorial was opened in 2011 by the 44th President of the United States, B. Obama, together with the 43rd President, J. Bush. The construction of the Freedom Tower was completed on May 10, 2013, with the installation of a 124-meter metal spire weighing 758 tons. The 541-meter building became the tallest in the United States. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss interesting tops in the USA.